all. So when I read this topic, I raked my mind because it was so difficult to defend something without sounding like a academic pariah. Because thesis is such an important part of the PG curriculum. But I would like to play devil's advocate in this when it becomes mandatory to publish a thesis. Because turning back the clock, when I was a PG, when I started out, and I was given a thesis, all these questions used to give me anxious, sleepless nights because our undergraduate curriculum doesn't really cover all this. So the crux of the matter is, during the first 2 months of the PG training, a PG is assigned a PG thesis guide, then he's assigned the topic and has to submit the protocol. So he's assigned the thesis at this point in his PG training. As one of my colleagues told, a resident is a pluripotent cell. So basically he has to go through the grind of PG training, has to go through subspecialty postings, and then he realizes what his actual specialty of interest is. And may or may not, the thesis that he is given to may not collate with the specialty of his interest. So, and also if mandatory, if the thesis publication is made mandatory, it will lead to a lot of things like it might hammer the PG to constraints of time and put undue pressure on him, then might lead to malpractices like plagiarism and fudging of data. And it might lead to injustice to the research that is actually going to happen. And overall, it might undermine the intellectual capacity and the performance of the PG. So, why not understand the essential purpose of the thesis in your PG program, which is to use it as a building block to learn epidemiology and biostatistics, validate your data and write a scientific report, and master clinical research. And not just in your thesis, but in the specialty of your interest, where you can actually publish and then gain brownie points in your fellowship interviews. So I would like to say that, yeah, thesis publication is a feather in the cap, but even if you don't do it, don't lose heart, because you can use it as a tool to become a accomplished researcher besides a besides a good clinician. So keep calm and finish your thesis. That's what I would like to conclude with. Thanks.
Okay, just to highlight, the thesis publication could be the